Hi, Born Sports Media. Born Sports Media. Born again for a passports. The channel in Tebusan Baswa. Na waba den if you subscribe and if you share. Na wa like page na wa ma wunian so enye bi so etumi so ahwe. Yen konsem no so.
Story ni nie. Anura asat 9:30. Na matum satellite na to Nigeria na me se mon confirm fama me. Na something big and ABC on the month of July. Yes. July busu minimu. I mean kotu ni ye mento me boase no don ho na story no ni. 6 to 16 July. Our Nigeria Lagos. Na ebeye live e Super Sport. Live e Super Sport mo mbenya bi ahwe no. Sponsor MTN. No se kronkron no so na fei. We no ni dia yankan yeso wodi anebo. Tumba Ghana no mo peke fantastic Asante Kotoko. Nigeria ma peke be me no ho Benin. Na solo mahunu Antariaspo eno no ye take dia na ho. Tuma kofo mo so abefra. Exclusive. Dia tenye. When you hear Eko International Cup 2025. Eko International Cup 2025. Yes, there were. And remember now this Sunday me no efeno. Olianjo Musa. Oye adwuma wa Zobia FM 94.1 Port Harcourt no semasa. Yes, Asante Ghana, yeah, Kotoko. Moya big. Ti the story na topeti. Into the Eko International Cup 2025. Ebetodwa 6 to 16 July. 6 to 16 July. Our Nigeria Lagos. Mr. Super Sport. Ebe channel live MTN and also asne. Enti die tenye yo Ikorodu City FC. Omo Lagos hono mu besie. Omo game mbabo no ni Daji FC. Omo Benin. Daji FC. Omo ewo Benin and de behwim. Yes. Yebenya Ramo Stars FC. Ramo no abusuya tienye na omo no ye from Sky Blues. Omo Ikene Ogun State Nigeria. Ikene City Ogun. Ikene Ogun State Nigeria. Nti hona Ramo Stars ebutu omune fantastic Asante Kotoko ena ebebo na fei yaba abenya Shooting Stars omusuko Nigeria mu South Nigeria. South Nigeria Ibadan honi be bi omu pesi omuso ni Antariaspo ena edibeshim wenyina no ena media to dwane aba benya Enyimba International and Super Sport United. Enyimba International and Super Sports United. No monso ediashim. Mama date in dada. 6 to 16 July. Nigeria Lagos live on Super Sport. Sponsored by MTN. More fire. Nti Asante. Message do mo pick mo no say. Mo crowd na no den. Support the dimach we wuni. Wo de check clubs na mabobo no. Wuni support ayem fro. Wo mo bra wa African so ayem fro. Nti Asante. The whole Ghana money apekamo. Maybe me nkomanim na
Super Sports for confirming Kotoko Nigeria tournament.
I've seen the
tournament. It's confirmed. And omo ankasa published it omo fencing we main so. And one of the fishes Kotoko. We will watch this Kotoko Super Sports. Ghana for be Kotoko Super Sports. So July there about. Wow.
6 July to 16 July 10 days 6 to 16
I was Super Sports
strong lineup so I'm say omba Ghana no na omupe team a popular ompe team a Africa na omupe omba Ghana no na ompe team a Africa see Africa ye ni mo pa omo popular Africa pa enti the omba Ghana no the most popular Ghanaian team on African continent Asante Kotoko. The most popular Ghanaian team on the African continent Asante Kotoko. Enti na mo pe team a omo ko Nigeria
other teams no maka are they the most popular in their country?
Ghana the umpire that Ghana criteria na Ghana criteria on the buyer no so
that JFC so
say imba wom
Remo Stars and the Nigerian class is 6
so
it's a Nigerian tournament from year 6 number 5
Super Sports and Target Sport.
I'm 5 and I'm 3
and Tal Sport from Europe. Super Sport from
South Africa, Asante Kotoko. See. That be no. Insanity.
Maybe I will a quick one. But say reliable source. I picked information yesterday. The Hearts will have their pre-season in Nigeria around July. But can't confirm if they are part of the tournament or not.
They are not. Wait, DSTV now.
The Hearts will be Nigeria in July.
Yeah,
Ebi ano mo ko Abuja.
Okay.
Yeah, big clubs.
So that
We got it.
Yeah, big clubs yo. Yeah, big.
We
Big club.
So that we
Lagos. Ebi amu dani Abuja. We Lagos. Ebi amu dani Abuja.
Number one.
Social media.
Ghana is some of those who you see honestly. Unse dia na Kotoko ne goja se bobo no. Na TV ina me tese na me time papa nti me jahwe kwa na me hwe ada European games no. Then someone sent a message say Ajingu and send me a friend saying message say talo officiate yan so baby any ohun bi da like che referees ashada aba match ye be sisi that early stage of football no. I'm say when I said let me just even though na nye because me but let me go and see why he's saying say in modern day football say referee officiating ya shada say is see one team abi to me ko hwe match no bi ni ma ene Kotoko match no Robert Musi Charlie on any assistance no criminal officiating by me who be doma which is just say modern football sadio ne titire ehun sadio no titi time na TV nyenye ni ehun sa officiate ya shada pa referee aba say Mrs na Robert Musi on Alhassan Abdullahi ena guruguru Dabi Alhassan Abdullahi guruguru ena Yaya Ashukwe Mensa Charlie in the last 10 years now, I've never seen such a criminal officiating football me who be a papa. But all they were doing were waiting and say Kotoko make attacking move. Kotoko ball the center na guruguru ne Ashukwe omo flag no. They say omo pesa Kotoko ebe tra center. Omo tra center offside. I'm saying no, you don't do this. Especially because idea goes as for Omo Kotoko better than them, dominated the game, created decent chances. Referee yama munche. Now I think say Prosper the decision to sack him no man chair. Yes. Man chair. Almost so no so chair do. Because clearly it can be a new manager bounce. That's it can be a new manager bounce, but new manager bounce no I positive. Because at least Anjebiano they are getting something from the new manager bounce no. Even if it's a new manager bouncer. Because so what games now can you to abona. Not your boys and bona mabona. Omo che do oma Prosper League no send or send we in term or che azana karimo ba amwa omo nyuma ye nya. I think say we next time they have to be proactive in terms of decision making and
first and first clubs never start recruitment. But about recruitment in common also. When we say fiada RTU bo playoffs no.
Okay.
But we krum hansem no who RTU at me abudru level when your players to you coming back, there's a higher possibility. We need this Friday. I'm back to wonders.
11 wonders.
Yeah.
I'm no wonders. That's all to be a course.
Oh boy,
Accra. Now, me told me question a baby Zani say, is the measures nego akwen out to you by almost some baby on ye beam now.
he said the players and answer.
Serious, oh. Obi abo Premier League. Now the last 2 matches, Mr. Two, what they are total papas. In the last match, quite when Timiam raised a team to come and play. I mean, had the 3 free points my Olympics. The only issue was that we two. But it says I had 3 free points no Olympics 5 because RT did not show up no. Nanya has we know Bechemna and can my house we Olympics guy. Yes.
Hey, what that's why I did.
Has the 45 points Olympics now 44. So nka RT one show up at Accra Sports Stadium no. And Ketimo Biwe. And that is the damage and Kebet Media League no. But on that day Olympics and Keke ball no. All the teams now Heart of Lions ebetimi say true Karela beko takwa akwa akoshe has beko bechima akwa akoshe enti at no point na say Olympics nya sa 3 free points no or no to or no an area. But look at the damage omo cause here, and there was no serious punishment to the club. Yam punish club no. 1 for not playing the game, 2 for parading unqualified players deliberately. No to your ebi wa ha obetimi the players about bone be registration error bi where they were body trimupo asesa players a free tamale e dia afro bass atra kumasi akonkran akowura mu odawu akobobo na players nya ne dia adwemboni say now after 1 season that team is coming back e ba bebo playoff with Timisa Bebo League and there was no serious punishment to that club. Now let's come to the recruitment. Clubs are must learn from their. This is serious.
And you can read about and I've get Eko say use Muranona the mankind there was maybe not your satisfaction.
Serious punishment.
Obed wants to raise is this. A club which a year ago demonstrated said they cannot even fund the trip and pay their players to go and play a football game. The common saying there should be some assurances. Yes, they will come, and this may happen. I say, man, say today if in Suatre resurface, baby, no some baller. They can't just go and play and come like that. Oh, and Tibia, they say who is behind it, who is funding the club, where are they going to get money? Because who said Division 1 they around that zone.
Yeah.
See how the cost of traveling near there no.
Ever form.
Say who like who has taken over the club? Who is funding it?
One young gentleman.
Abua can see. Na
obesi tamale beko baseke beko pando ba kon na ba bedane asem.
So club no mu ye na munye.
Na there me be new bed relegation they say problems na doko. Don't problem.
But there are problems on this. Problems. Go for relegation. So Olympics o man go.
Obi go for sika.
I've seen let me say Obero here. The guy I've seen him bars are different from correct bars view.
Aba, na dey go nya accident.
And dey go accident. So at least he's showing say he has the capacity to.
Okay, yeah. But I think that's a genuine concern. Papa go come when happy.
Moto moving forward. Recruitment now teams in Bayan told they should be careful. Both hard to focus and Asante Kotoko. You should study the player to know the amount player near successful or club or our deba.
Yeah. This is Amankuna.
Omunsha Amankuna ye. Amankuna itrimi de.
Von Sports Media, thank you for watching. We bring you more and more updates of Ghana Premier League, most especially our 2 clubs, Asante Kotoko and FA, the Continental Club Master, Phobia, House of Oak, Nino Mohonsem Ebeba. Born again, the CEO of Von Sports Media. Bomoding the like page, we are now Washe Norma Williams, so any being so to me, so I salute you. Thank you, Yakupo for watching. Bye.